In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of your Google Slides presentation. This is a great way to personalize your presentation, ensuring it matches the mood or theme of your project perfectly. Adding a custom background color can really make your slides stand out, and I'm here to guide you through this process step by step, making it as smooth and simple as possible. First, let's start by opening your Google Slides presentation. It doesn't matter whether you're beginning a new project or working on one that's already in progress. Once you have your presentation open, go ahead and select the slide or slides that you'd like to update with a new background color. If you're looking to change multiple slides, you can hold down the Shift key and click on each slide to select them all at once. This can save you a bit of time if you're making changes to a large presentation. Now, you'll want to look to the top menu of Google Slides. Here, click on Slide, and from the drop-down menu, select Change Background. This will open up the Background dialog box, which is where the magic happens. This dialog box is your toolbox for customizing the background of your slides. Next, you'll see a Color drop-down menu. Click here to reveal several options. For a precise, customized touch, you can select Custom, or sometimes you'll see a plus sign which indicates you can enter a specific color. Here, you'll have two main options: entering a hex code or using the color picker. The hex code option is great if you know the exact color you want. Simply enter the code, something like #FF5733, and Google Slides will replicate that hue for you. If you're unsure of the exact color, or just experimenting, use the color picker to explore a range of shades until you find one that suits your taste or theme. Once you've chosen your color, you'll need to decide where to apply this new background. You have the choice of applying it to just the slides you've selected or extending it across the entire presentation. If you'd like the color to feature only on the selected slide or slides, simply click Done. But if you feel like it's the look you want across every slide, choose the option that says Add to Theme. You might see different wording here like Apply to All, but the function is the same. And following that, click Done. And there you have it. Your slide's background will now change to reflect the custom color you meticulously selected. Whether for a small school project or a large business presentation, this simple change can significantly enhance the visual appeal and coherence of your slides. I hope you found this guide helpful, and be sure to explore all the other creative possibilities with Google Slides to make your presentations truly shine.